Hey guys, I just want to share an issue which I was having for the last 2 or 3 days and how I am able to resolve it. So, I'm having this bad prints, well, really bad, and naturally, I thought that was due to the filament issue. Maybe the moisture, maybe it was the clogged nozzle, maybe it was with the temperature. So nothing fixed the issue. So then I thought, how about opening the hot end? So to be my surprise, so I found this. So if you can see, this is the inside of the hot end, the boring tube, and this is a Capricorn tube. So see how this is like really burned up through the ends. I was basically printing TPU, and it worked for me for last 3 or 4 months without any problem. So this is the tube which goes in the hot end over here. So after replacing this, my print is coming out like this, and so it's back to the same old quality which I used to get, like these. And it became this. And now after fixing these boarding tube issue, I'm back to the original quality. So I hope this will help you out, because I'm seeing a lot of posts, and majority of the solution or the people are suggestion is like it must be a bad filament or maybe some moisture issue. So I hope this will help you out.